Today, we're gonna make trash. Well, you might go, what's trash? I call it trash. I've always called it trash. But before there was a recipe on the back of the Chex cereal box, people did this all the time, but they got smart. Marketing took over and they put it on the back of the box and they call it the original Chex Party Mix. Go on. I'm gonna do, really? I was stupid there. I used my wrong hand, my dominant hand. All right, last, I'm basically just gonna get all this crap on the floor, mix it all together. Ooh. Now, the part that you can kind of make your own. Now, the best thing about trash is that you can make it all your own completely. How am I going to make mine? I really like Bugles, so I'm going to add some Bugles, and I like Cheez-Its, so I'm going to add Cheez-Its and pretzels. Going to add pretzels, going to add mixed nuts. Get some pretzel sticks. Now you can get pretzel stick. You can get any type of pretzels, or if you don't want pretzels, leave them out. Add something else. I really like the cheese, so I got the cheese Bugles. I'm going to dump it into my bowl. Do a mix. Guess what? I'm just going to wing it. That's a half a cup. That's 1 cup, or I'm just going to use this whole can because that's what I have. I had about 2 cups in that can. And now what we're going to do is pour this into this. Now, I'll be honest, it has been a really long time since I've had this, and I might eat it now and be like, oh, I don't like this. But I'm hoping that's not the case. Now I need to stir this. Basically, you want to get all of the stuff moist. And I'm going to keep stirring until I do that, and I'll be right back. So basically, you just want everything moist and shiny. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do this. You could actually, if this was a microwavable bowl, put it in the microwave. But I've got a problem. This is a metal bowl. Can't use in the microwave. Now, I could put this on the slow cooker. The slow cooker takes about 3 hours to make, but I'm not sure that I feel like pulling out my slow cooker. So what I'm going to do is use the oven, and I'm going to set the temperature to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to bake for about an hour. Not in the bowl, mind you. I'm going to put it on a baking pan. As possible. You know what I should do? Use a rolling pin. I'm guessing it's not going to be very finicky. still very moist. I hear ya. Another stirring session. Still very moist. Oh no, I dropped something in the bottom of the oven. Another thing in the bottom of the oven. I feel like these 15 minutes are coming faster than 15 minutes. And it is still very, very wet. So I'm going to do this in the oven. And my hair. I don't know that I feel like pulling. I just hit myself in the chin. One more. I'm telling you, I'm going to burn myself. Ooh. Okay. All right. Smart. All right, 15 more minutes. It might need more than an hour. Thank you for watching this Chex Party Mix video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like the ridiculousness that we share on our channel. See you next time. Bye.